Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we are playing this. What's this called?
Oh no, I think
Drive a
it's just...
car down a hill
Oh.
simulator. And Mark needs to hop out of my car, get his car out,
I think I'm good.
so we can do this.
I think I'll let you
I'm
drive.
at 39K. I've only went down the hill once.
I think I'll take a
I don't
nap
get that
while...
far.
I think I'll take a nap while you film this video.
Good night.
What the fuck?
What?
Hey, I'm getting money too.
Didn't even hit anything. Damn it. Alright, get in. You dumb fuck. Fucking landed on me.
You fucking asshole. I'm not that fat.
For real, man. No, that guy in that truck landed on me.
Oh.
That's how my car went into pieces and then we fucking flew.
Oh god, we gonna die.
What this game is about.
We gonna die.
So what you been up to?
You know, just filming and editing and everything that I normally do. No breaks. Gotta keep this content going.
Yeah.
Are we still
We will
moving?
make it to the end. Yeah? Are you not?
No, we're stopped.
Car is a fucking beast, bro. That was a big ass jump too.
We're literally stopped on my screen.
Oh, damn it.
Is the hood open on your screen?
Alrighty now.
Tyler,
What?
is the hood open on your screen?
No?
Huh? Hold on, guys. We'll be right back. I might have to leave and rejoin. And then Tyler's gonna come pick me up from the spawn. Ain't that right?
I guess.
Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, we're back. We're with Tyler again. And why the fuck did you go back up the hill? What the fuck?
Speedrun start.
Oh. Is you
What the fuck?
stupid?
Nothing's loading in my screen, so.
stupid son of a bitch, bro.
Different game, I guess. Is Fortnite working?
Okay guys, we're back. Tyler went to the restroom, so he's not here at the moment. He probably made us fucking get on another buggy ass game. Damn, bro. That sucks. That sucks. That really sucks. So, what am I supposed to do then? What the fuck? All I see are monster trucks and like animals and shit. Like, hello? Chickens. They're not even real, they're frozen. They're literally just props. Like, watch, I could jump on this bull. Yeah, I think that's a bull. And they ain't doing nothing. They ain't even wagging their tail. Ugh, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't even know where Tyler is. Yes, jumping. Let's go. Tyler needs to get his ass back here. Because I'm tired and I don't want to film his video for him. Because, like, I got my own 2 channels to fucking film for. Why would I want to film for his? Like, the fuck? By the way, guys, if you haven't already, go subscribe to those. And then subscribe to mine and Tyler's new channel that will be, coming out, or will be coming out with a video very soon. Oh, my throat.
Where you at, Mark?
I'm figuring out how to drive. What the fuck?
So which way did you go?
Oh shit. So I'm going in reverse and I don't know how to switch it.
Should be an automatic.
Well, it's not. I've got an ATV. I don't know what you got, but...
Okay, the ATV is not automatic, but the next one, the Lipton Toyota, is an automatic. Back to the start can.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know where I am. I'm at a house.
Is there a monster truck in there?
Yeah, there's a lot of monster trucks.
You're not in my game.
Yes, I am. I see your name tag.
I don't see you. Nobody is around.
I literally see your name tag in the fucking tab list.
I don't have all that, so I can't see that shit.
Well, if you would go like you're exiting the game, you could see that shit. I'm turning that down because that is loud.
Alright, I'm right in the front of the monster truck.
Maybe there's other houses. Ever thought of that?
No, because when you spawn in, you should be at one house.
Yeah, I'm at my house, but maybe there's others around.
So if you respawn your character,
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. There we go. Holy shit. Tyler, where are you at, bro?
I've been driving around to see other houses, and I don't see other houses.
Why is this thing so fucking slow? Holy shit.
Who are you driving?
I don't even fucking know. It's a fucking truck. And it picks up speed so fucking slow. Okay, I'm fucking... Fuck that damn thing. Oh, yes.
I would say when we find each other, hop in my vehicle.
There's a Game Pass?
Fell off the map. Nice.
Oh, hi! There you are. I don't know why I chose the fucking, like, police car thing. Can I not get in yours? I can't get in it.
This damn cop car. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, I was in the driver's seat. Can I not get in the passenger?
Guess not.
Fuck. There we go. Fuck.
So damn slow.
Here, try to get in mine, bro. Try to get in my passenger seat.
Can you get in this one?
Oh, I was just in it. What the fuck? Where am I? There we go. I'm in. I don't know what was wrong with the other ones. Are we going?
I can't shift. Like, trolls aren't even there, bro.
What the fuck? You getting in? Why are you so short?
I have to join a group if I drive that one.
I can't get in it.
Bro.
I'm not in. Nope, I was just in it.
Gotta shift it.
I can shift. See? Oh, you fucking asshole. Why is this shit stuck on my screen? Hold on. Reset. Why is my game Why is my game laggy? Fuck, there we go. It's not lagging no more. I'm at a small ass house now. And I don't know what to do. Oh, hi. Why aren't you talking? This is your
I said,
turn.
what's up?
Oh, well, you didn't. Your voice didn't say nothing on my end. I didn't hear you. I was just in.
Just it.
There we go.
Alright, looks a little gay, but it works.
Guys, we'll be back once we figure out what to do in this game. Like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, comment down below when you're done. Click the video on the screen for what YouTube recommends. Subscribe to me, subscribe to Tyler, subscribe to my second channel, subscribe to our share channel, link in the description. We will have a video coming out very soon. And yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video of Tyler's.